Hello, welcome to the Cybernews channel. Today I'll be talking to Greg Scott, a cybersecurity veteran and a published fiction author. Hello, Greg. Thanks for being here with us today.
Well, hi, Damien. Thanks for having me.
And how are you doing over there?
I'm doing real well. It's sunrise. It's a great day here in Minnesota.
Yeah, we got you up early. That's the time differences for you, eh?
Yeah, no big deal.
Okay, so what we'll do now is we'll just close out with some quick-fire questions just to bring up the pace. The first computer firewall was created by an American company. True or false?
I'm gonna guess, could have been Israeli. I'm gonna guess true, but it's a guess.
Apparently it is true. It's either Cisco Systems or Digital Equipment Corporation. In the Italian Job remake with Mark Wahlberg, the character Lyle uses a Mac computer to hack into camera footage. True or false?
I have no clue. It sounds Hollywood-like. I don't know.
False. Apparently it was Adele, and I did check that clip.
It was Adele.
Yeah. Okay, this one's more for laughs. Only paranoid people use VPNs. True or false?
False.
Yeah.
Depending on how you define paranoid, you know.
Yeah. The legendary hacker hunter Clifford Stoll, he spent the year 1969 sleeping under his desk while he hunted a KGB-sponsored threat actor. True or false?
It was not 1969. That one's false.
Gotcha. Well done. Yeah, well done. It was, I think, 1986, so it was sometime
that
in the end.
sounds about right.
Well done.
Under the Cuckoo's Nest, I think that was the name.
Yeah. It was well done. That's I wasn't sure if you get that one because it was quite tricky. Okay, only Windows users are at risk of having their data mined.
That's false.
Yeah. I think even I would have known that one.
Yeah.
Here's another one. Not all bots are used by cyber criminals. True
Not all bots are used by cyber criminals. I'm going to go with true on that one.
Yeah, it's true. Because they're used by pen testers and whatnot, aren't they, as well?
Yeah.
The scientist Nikola Tesla predicted the invention of the internet in the early 1900s. True or false?
Tesla was a vision. I don't know. There was early phone networks. You could see the telephones invented. Nobody knew what computers were. I'm just going to go out on a limb and vote true on that one. That's just a guess.
According to the BBC, it is true. He said that wireless technologies would allow us to share documents and music. That eventually that would become a thing. I don't think he ever cracked it himself, but it was something he was interested in, the concept of wireless devices. Okay, here's the last one, Greg. The first computer bug ever was a moth trapped in a computer at Harvard University in 1947. True or false?
It sounds true. That was where the term debugging came from. Whether it was Harvard in 1947, the time period feels about right.
Yeah,
Harvard or not, I'm going to go with true.
It's apparently true. Yeah, it's apparently true. I had no idea it was the first bug was a literal bug, but I guess that's where the term comes from. Greg, can you see the screen? Okay, because we're going to have a go at it. So it's just 5 clips from lame-ass Hollywood hacker movies. You just have to guess the name of the movie. And this one... Okay.
Let's see what we got here. Oh, that had Will Smith and I think Jada Pinkett and the CIA. Don't remember the name of it.
It was Hackers, 1995, and that was, I believe,
that was
Johnny
Hackers.
Lee Miller. Yeah.
I was thinking it was that. I was thinking of a different movie.
Okay,
I got it wrong.
Here's coming up with the second one.
Okay. What do we know about this guy?
He's a convicted hacker serving 15 years. MIT. Genius coder.
I want you to commute my sentence for identification and the apprehension of the guy you're after.
Oh, that face looks familiar. I don't remember what it is, though.
Black Hat, 2015. Okay, here's the next one. I reckon you'll get this one.
Okay.
Good job. Senator, we have a problem. Did you know that I can buy warheads for $40 million each? Hell, I buy half a dozen and even get a
Is that movie where what's his name killed a bunch of people? What's that? Oh.
It is Swordfish 2001. Okay, see if you get this one. This one's truly vintage.
I'm not doing real well on my movies, am I?
I think you'll get this one.
David Lightman was a master at computer games.
Come on, Greg. Even I got this one.
Yeah. Guess the pat. Don't tell me.
War Games, 1983. War Games. Matthew Broderick at his finest.
Yeah, with the Whopper computer.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. Okay, not to worry. Here's the last one. You're bound to get this one. This one is iconic.
That's not the Matrix, is it? That is the Matrix.
It is the Matrix. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you guess which one? Which Matrix film?
Which
Bonus
Matrix?
point?
That was the first one, wasn't it?
It's actually not. It's the Matrix Reloaded, which was 2003. So I think that was the third one. Well, that's it for today, folks. Thank you for tuning in to the Cybernews channel. If you would like to subscribe, just click on the link below. And we'll see you again soon.